What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a really simple, delicious salad today. We're going to make kind of like a vinaigrette dressing using lime. Really easy with olive oil, delicious and simple. So let's get right to work. Okay, so let's go over the ingredients that we're using for this really beautiful salad. I have here 1/2 of a head of cabbage. I have some kale leaves. These are from my backyard. Kale happens to grow, I think, almost all season, all year here in Florida. So far, we've been getting a lot from the garden. These are some Spanish olives. I found these at Home Goods at a really great deal, and they're totally delicious. They're really big. So I'm going to chop them up and put them in a salad. 1/2 of a red onion. 1 lime for acidity, olive oil, and this is a smoked salt that I found in Home Goods. It is really delicious. It gives a really smoky flavor to whatever you put it in. I love this stuff. I'm gonna try to find some more, but this stuff is amazing. 1 head of romaine. It's basically just the heart. Yellow bell pepper. This is fresh peppercorns. I just cracked them freshly over the salad. I think it gives an amazing flavor when they're fresh like that. This is cilantro, and basically this is cilantro from my garden. I just chopped it up real fine. I used some of the stems for this recipe. I think it adds a really nice crunch. Cherry tomatoes, and I kind of wanted to keep this salad pretty light, so I didn't use a lot of cheese, but this is about 1/3 of a cup of shredded jack cheese. So that's about it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get to chopping our vegetables. Okay, our cabbage, I'm gonna just cut it really thin. And this is basically how you want it. Really thin, kind of like shredded cabbage. This is going to add some nice volume and crunch to the salad. Got a nice mountain of crunchy shredded cabbage, and I'm going to go ahead and put that into our salad bowl. Any pieces like this that kind of get left, you can take them and chop them up some more. Okay, so we're gonna add the diced onion. Just gonna dice it into small pieces. Alright, so now we're just gonna cut our romaine, and I like to cut in this type of salad pretty much the same texture as the cabbage, so we're gonna cut it thin too, so they kind of mix together. Okay, so now our olives, we're just gonna slice them into wheels. We're going to cut our olives into wheels about that size. Alright, with our kale, we're just going to basically, okay, with our kale, I'm just going to bunch it up together, and I'm just going to go ahead and slice. Also pretty thin. Same thing with our avocado. We're going to dice it into little squares. Pretty remove the seed, of course. And to peel these, they're usually pretty easy. You just can peel the skin with your hands. Just like that. Any little blemishes, remove. These guys are just going to dice them. And put them right into the salad. They're going to add some creaminess. Alright, so the last item that we're going to cut is our bell pepper. Just going to core it. I'm also going to dice it. Alright, so basically we have all of our chopped ingredients in our salad. Now we're going to go ahead and add our cilantro. And I'm going to add 2 limes instead of 1. Now we're going to go in with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's go 2. A fresh cracked pepper. Smoked salt. And our cheese. Now we're going to mix all these ingredients thoroughly. And we are done with our beautiful, delicious, colorful salad. And this is a bunch of servings. You could actually save this for, you know, the whole day. After a day, I think it gets too soggy. Maybe 2 days at most. You can add eggs in here if you want. You can add, you know, any kind of ham that you like, or chicken. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. Very light, very filling. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste to see if it needs anything. Got a little bit more pepper. And a little more smoked salt. Give it another good toss. Look how beautiful that is, guys. Look at all that color. Oh, that's great. Not only great tasting, but great nutrition. There is our beautiful salad with homemade dressing. It looks amazing. As you guys saw, pretty easy to make, not a lot of ingredients, and you can easily make this in 15 to 20 minutes at most, from beginning to end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna give this salad a try. I have to say it's really beautiful and colorful. So much really crunchy texture and flavor. The smoked salt really came through on here. Stuff is amazing. Tastes super fresh. The acidity of the lime combines beautifully with the olives. Totally amazing.